Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two very well-known programs or websites, apps, you name it, they got it. It's Spotify and YouTube Music. So we will go through some pros and cons, and at the end hopefully we will find out which one is better for you. So let's start with Spotify. We don't have to actually talk much about the Spotify. If you ever used Spotify, you know what they are into. It's a very well-known company providing streaming services, and you will find basically every kind of music in here. You can find their podcasts and all the stuff. The best thing about it is actually the podcasts. When you're trying to find any kind of podcast, for example, Lex Friedman, that I'm a big fan of, you have automatically a chance to just go to Jordan B. Peterson and also the others, and just start listening to straight away. You can't do that on musicyoutube.com. On the other hand, YouTube Music is owned by Google. So if you are basically using your YouTube account, the music will be transferred into your YouTube Music. So straight away, as you log in, you have some preferential music styles and all the other recommendation already in your YouTube Music platform. So basically they are collecting the information, what you looked for, what you were listening on a YouTube, and they are automatically implementing the data from YouTube to YouTube Music. Also, it's owned by Google. So if you are interested in having an app in your mobile phone, the Spotify will be actually a winner in those, because Spotify is just streaming platform. They are not as big as Google, and in this case it's a good thing, because YouTube Music have to follow the Google policies, and Spotify, you can just go and download the app and listen to a music even when the phone is on a sleeping regime, for example, or you lock your screen. In terms of music, it's way easier for a new artist to go to Music YouTube, because you can just upload the music and just play it from YouTube Music. For Spotify, you have to be actually verified. You have to go through countless of steps to actually get your music there. It's harder and it takes longer. But for YouTube Music, you can just upload it. You can't just upload your music on Spotify. That's not possible. For musical reach, you are really winning with Spotify here, even though YouTube Music is providing you with some mixes for your mood, like workout super mix, workout mix 2, and stuff like that, like replay, your likes, discover music, etc. It's very nice approach, but I'm really team Spotify here for all these top mixes or made for me. And they're really accurate. Also on repeat and repeat rewind that I listen to very often. In case of pricing, they are completely the same, I would say. It's like $9.99 for YouTube Family and $10.99 for Spotify, or it's pretty much the same. The only difference is the Spotify is giving you 6 slots for your family. So if you want to invite one more people or one more person into the Spotify, you can, but only 5 people for YouTube. Also, the YouTube Music, if you go with a premium, you will get YouTube Premium as well. So not only music, but YouTube itself as well. So you can watch your videos without any ads, and that I would think that it's really worth paying for. I have premiums on both, and I'm not really ever willing to go back to listening to ads on Spotify or YouTube. So for one person, I believe it's like €5, and for duo it's like 7. So if you are like with your friend or girlfriend or wife, husband, you really want to go and get along and basically buy the premiums, it's the same. But the fact that on Spotify you'll have 6 slots for people, but with YouTube Music you get the premium as well for YouTube website. You can watch the videos, not only music. It's really a big tie here. So overall, I would go with the Spotify because it's just it's a streaming platform. It's easier to get to music. They know what they're doing. They are very much on point with the mixes that they are making for you, even though music YouTube is catching up, but they are not quite there yet. If you have any other questions, which one is better, please leave them underneath this video, and if you like it, press a like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.